guys, my name is Andre with Towbars Performance, and welcome to this lovely afternoon. Today we had one brand new GLE Mercedes into our shop. Now this stunning vehicle had a stunning tow bar installed on it. Plenty of power, plenty of capability of towing, and not only that, does it keep its sleek design with only minimal underclad bumper cuts for this premium tow bar here. As you can see, we got a gooseneck style, along with an integrated wiring kit that works with the vehicle's gearbox, ABS function, trailer stability control, and automatically shuts off those parking sensors. As we can see, it's easily detachable. I turn it on, pops straight out, and you can flip the electrics up and out of the way, making it completely invisible. Now, pop it back in, simply slide it in the hole, clicks into place, drop down your wiring, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. We're happy to help. Catch you next time.